collaboration with Festo and Elster Kromschröder and SAP, the Open Integrated Factory showed live and in real how the intelligent production runs in future scenarios. SAP Manufacturing Solutions covers from the top floor down to the shop floor, a seamless integrated solution for discrete industries. Let's populate the pyramid with the different SAP solutions. As we connect the layers with one technology and run streamlined processes, the fixed lines convert into dotted ones. In the corporate level, we find SAP ERP, in the MES layer the manufacturing suite with SAP ME, which stands for Manufacturing Execution, and SAP MII, which stands for Manufacturing Integration and Intelligent, and is SAP's strategic platform for manufacturing. This visualization shows you that SAP reshapes the vertical integration in production. Out-of-the-box integration between leading ERP and execution level is standard with SAP. Additionally, the connection to the automation level with PLC and sensors is part of the top floor to shop floor integration with SAP, enabled by SAP Plant Connectivity. The individualization of products is a key trend in the consumer behavior. At the same time, production has a focus and pressure of the production costs. In order to fulfill these future trends, it is required to A. Run multiple products without planned circuits on the production lines. B. Leverage the concept of intelligent products, intelligent workstations and intelligent systems. C. Realize production benefits from a mass production but execute individualized production. This can be leveraged by integrating seamless the top floor with the shop floor and communicate with open messages services and run open technology standards. Today we focus on the responsive manufacturing showcase with the Festo line. We have the following characteristics realized in this co-innovation project. Multiple products on the line, a lot size of 1, we produce 16 product variants for one product, we run intelligent products, and all this supported by RFID technology. The production processes includes the following typical production scenarios. The first workstation includes 2 steps, the initialization and the magazine. The process details now will be explained by Martina Weidner. Enjoy the tour we showcased at the Hanover Fair and highlights how Industry 4.0 supports innovative scenarios in discrete manufacturing.
We are right at the beginning of our production process. An empty product carrier arrives at the first station asking for work. The workstation connects to ME, and ME will now select the next job order scheduled for production and release it for execution. From now on, this production order, this product, is identified by a unique SFC number. ME will transfer this SFC number and the material number and the next routing step to the workstation. The workstation will write this information on the RFID chip on the product carrier. The next workstation, which physically is the same, is the magazine load station. The workstation reads the information on the RFID chip and the product signs in for execution. The workstation asks ME for parameters. ME will provide these parameters and send the information to the workstation. Upon completion of the operation, the results are returned to ME, they are validated, and then the next routing step is sent to the workstation. The information is written on the RFID chip of the carrier, and on we go to the next workstation. The tempering station is the next workstation. Again, the workstation reads the information stored on the RFID tag and asks ME for parameters. In this case, it's the temperature and the duration of tempering. The operation is executed, and upon completion the results are returned to ME. ME validates the results and transfers the next routing step to the workstation. The workstation writes this information on the RFID tag on the carrier, and the carrier moves on to the next operation. Now, drilling is the next operation to be performed. Again, the workstation reads the information on the RFID chip of the product carrier and requests production parameters from ME. ME provides these parameters. In this case, it's the number and the position of drillings. Drilling is executed, and upon completion, the results are returned to ME, where they are validated. Then ME provides the next operation step to the workstation. The workstation writes this information on the RFID chip of the product carrier, and on we go. The product carrier now arrives at a robot assembly station. Again, the workstation reads the information written on the RFID chip and requests parameters from ME. ME provides these parameters. In this case, it's the electronic board that shall be assembled, as well as the number and type of fuses that need to be assembled. Assembly is completed, and upon completion, the results are returned to ME, where they are again validated, and the next routing step is provided to the workstation. The workstation writes this information on the RFID chip of the product carrier, and the product carrier carries on to the next routing step. The camera now performs the visual check. It returns the results to ME, and ME, of course, will validate these results. In case of pass, meaning everything has been fine, the next routing step provided to the workstation will be the packing station. In case of a fail, something has gone wrong, the next routing step that will be provided to the workstation will be the rework station. The workstation will write this information on the RFID chip on the product carrier, and the product carrier will follow its way to the next station. Now, if the camera has identified a non-conformance, the product carrier will move to the rework station. This station is a manual station. A worker will have the possibility to have a look at the product and identify if something is wrong or not. In case the worker is able to repair the product, he will enter this information via the touchscreen pod to ME. ME will release the product to the regular process and provide the next operation step to the workstation. In case the product needs to be scrapped, again, the worker enters this information into ME via the touch pod. ME will then close the SFC, transfer inventory and order adjustments to ERP, and also transfer this information to the workstation. The workstation will then reset the RFID chip on the carrier. The entire order is completed. Now the carrier finally arrives at its last routing step. This is the packing station. Again, this is a manual workstation. The worker is supported by ME by indicating him what to do. Either he has to place the completed product into a container. In that case, the operator is shown by the operator dashboard the right colored box in which to put the final product. In some cases, immediate storage is requested. In that case, SAP ME sends a trigger to the extended warehouse management asking for immediate storage. When finally this operation is completed, the entire SFC and shop order will be completed. The information, like inventory and order adjustments, also transferred to ERP, and the workstation will reset the RFID chip on the carrier.